on the new to us, Log Flume. We've not been on this one before. Robbie's at the side, give a wave to Robbie. Hi.
The rocket, oh that
It does look, it looks completely different here. Of course, just over there, you can see there is a rocket coaster there.
Yeah, I think it's closed.
I'm not sure what happened to that, why it's not open. It did operate for a full season. I did go on it. It was an alright little ride as well.
Yeah.
For some reason, it's not operating. I did hear there was some problems with it perhaps, but there's nothing official from the park and it's not featured on the map. There is, isn't there? This looks great though, it looks really good. Oh, they are making a nice effort with this place. It looks really good.
Right, keep back, Edo.
Here we go. Oh, just over there, River Cage is going that way. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Oh, slide forward.
Dad,
Yeah.
I only got a little bit wet.
You only got a little bit wet. I completely slid forward in my seat then. That was crazy.
Me too.
Oh goodness. I know. That was fun, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a nice little ride. Nice little addition.
I really want to go on that again.
You want to go on it again?
Yeah.
Well, maybe we can.